Welcome to the next chapter for Class 3. Chapter 3, the Operating System. An operating system is the most important software that runs our computer. So, as this statement tells us that we can understand operating system is a main software that helps the computer to work. It is a set of programs that manages the computer memory, processes, and all of its software and hardware. So everything, be it a memory of the computer, processes whatever is going on, or hardware or softwares, everything is controlled by operating system. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. It also allows you to communicate with the computer. It acts as a medium for communication between user and the computer. So, if we are communicating with the computer, again, operating system is an important software for it. Types of operating system. There are two types of operating system, that is single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Now, first, let's discuss single user operating system. It allows only one person to work on it at a time. Now, since it is a single user, that means only one user can work on it. Next is multi-user operating system, allows many people to work on different computers that are connected to the main computer through a network. So, different users are connected through a network and can work on the main computer. That is multi-user operating system. So over here you can see the difference also that has been given with the example. Single user operating system allows only one person to work on it. The best example for this is MS-DOS. That is Microsoft Disk Operating System. Next is multi-user operating system, allows many people to work on different computers that are connected to the main computer through a network. For this, the example is Linux or Windows. Okay, over here I have shown you the icon for Windows as well as for your Linux operating system. Okay, these operating systems are mainly used in bigger organizations like offices, railway stations, schools, airports. Now let's learn more about some operating system. The famous one, Windows. Windows is one of the most popular operating system. It is very easy to use. That is why it is used by most of the people all around the world. Since it is easy, it is convenient, everyone likes to use it. Then we have Apple Mac OS. That is Apple Mac OS operating system is one of the three most common operating system for personal computers along with Windows and Linux. So we have Apple as well. Then we have Linux is one of the three most common operating system for personal computer along with Windows. So third one is Linux. Then we have again the difference between DOS, Windows and Linux being given over here. DOS is a single user operating system while your Windows and your Linux are multi-user operating system. So single user, since the DOS is, we can say it like the user, only one user can work at a time. And for Windows and Linux, multi-user it is. So many people can work on their computer which are connected through a network. Okay, so for third point, you need to type the command in DOS. Okay, and for Windows and for Linux, it is all clickable. Then there are ready-made commands in the form of menus for Windows. Icon is a small picture that appears on the desktop screen. Each icon represents a file, folder, or a program. You can open icon by double-clicking on them. Some of the icons we commonly use are for this PC, documents, recycle bin, and for network as well. Here again, they have given the difference between the DOS, Windows, and Linux that we have already done. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation helped you understand Chapter 3 better. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. And also, Tell me in the comment what was your favorite part.